Hey. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Nebuchadnezzar spoke to all peoples. He told her what the Most High had done. The warning was given, the pride was tested. I dreamed a dream that troubled me, thoughts upon my bed. A mighty tree stood in the earth, its height reached the heavens spread. Its leaves were fair, its fruit was much. All creatures found their stay, but a watcher cried from heaven loud, cut the tree away. What was cut down?
What was cut down?
The great tree. What was left behind?
What was left behind?
The stump and roots. The Most High rules in the kingdom of man. He gives it whom He will. He brings the proud down low and lifts the humble still. Let the living know this truth. Let every nation see the Most High reigns forever in heaven and on the earth beneath ever. Oh, and on the earth beneath. Daniel heard and made it known the meaning of the dream. You will be driven from among men until the truth is seen. You'll eat grass like the oxen do. A dew will cover you. 7 times will pass you by till heaven rules, not you. Break off sins, practice righteousness, show mercy to the poor. This may lengthen your prosperity before the judgment falls. Why did this happen?
Because of pride.
Who rules the kingdom?
The Most High.
Hey, 12 months passed, the king still spoke. Is this not Babylon? My power built it, my might sustained. The boast was still his song. The word fell while it was in his mouth. The judgment came that day. His reason left, his glory fell till heaven had its way. The Most High rules in the kingdom of man. He gives it whom He will. He brings the proud down low and lifts the humble still. Let the living know this truth. Let every nation see the Most High reigns forever in heaven and on the earth beneath. At the end of the days, understanding returned. His eyes were lifted to heaven and praise was learned. The Most High rules in the kingdom of man. His dominion will not fade. All His works are truth and justice. Every word He said, those who walk in pride, He is able to obey. The King of heaven stands forever, and all the earth will know His ways. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The pride was broken, the truth was confessed. The Most High reigns.